Hello. Okay. Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. This is a Europe session. Today is 28th November. Okay. Do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose and use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So with that, I think we will proceed with the live analysis. Okay, today do take note that there is no data out, and at the same time US is on holiday, US bank holiday for, I think, for Thanksgiving Day. Then let's see tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we have BOE governor speaks and Canadian GDP and Euro CPI. Okay, so tomorrow also looks like there is no US data. So today and tomorrow, in fact, this week is expected to be a quiet session. Not say quiet, but is within a range. Okay, so now, as of now, let's move on to see whether we have any trades that has opened. Okay, we don't have any trades on open, and we have dollar cat buying order, and we are trying to sell gold at 54. In fact, early on gold we are trying to buy, but unfortunately I think we didn't get the order filled. Now we are trying to buy at 35 and 33, but I think we missed by 50 pips on this trade. So I don't think we have any open trades. Okay, with that I think we proceed with our live analysis, and let's see how we can go about it. Okay, so if you look into the trend map, okay, literally the market is all flat. Okay, we only see a lot of white boxes, which means to say that market is flat and not much movement. Okay, then we have three, okay, 360. Okay, 360, the euro dollar is down, pound is down, dollar yen is up, dollar Swiss is up, and dollar Sing is up. Okay, and all this, we should know that this is just a counter trend or a small pullback. So we should be able to catch this move on the direction of the trend. So overall, we feel that this daily euro dollar daily has already turned up. Pound also has turned up. Dollar yen is down. Dollar Swiss is down, and New Zealand dollar is up, and Sing dollar is down. Okay, but again this is all flat. Okay, flat with the upside bias. So now we are trying to go for a trade on the euro dollar. Okay, right now euro is trading at 530. Okay, what we should see is we should be looking to buy somewhere above 510. Okay, somewhere above 510, and we should expect the 590 to break, but not sure whether it's going to happen today. But if not, then we got to wait until tomorrow. So now how are we going to trade this is, okay, we are trying to go for a buy and hold on the euro. The same thing for pound, sell and hold for dollar yen, sell and hold for dollar Swiss, and buy and hold for New Zealand and Sing dollar, and finally the gold. Okay, gold is a different track. Okay, now let's do euro dollar first. We should be putting our stop below 10470. Okay, 10470, and we have another 25 minutes left for this time belt to finish. So which means to say we should be buying. Okay, we should be buying at 30. okay, 30 and 10. Okay, so these are the two levels of buying point, and one we can exit before 90, and one we can exit higher than uh, 90, which is 10625. Okay, so we have two trades set up. Okay, let's check that case with the chart, then we try to conclude on that. Okay, let's put in this trade. Okay, so now what we can do is uh, we will try to buy at 30. Okay, 30 as one trade, and we have 30 or 25, huh? Because we still have another 20 more minutes for this time to finish. Then we will try to, okay, let me double confirm this. Okay, the low, we should not see the price heading below 70. Okay, 70 is our first stop. Then another one would be 505 or 495. Okay, so we have two stops. Okay, I think we have what we wanted. We need all the information. So what we are going to do is, okay, we are going to put in two trades. One is okay, buy at 105.10. Okay, 105.10. Hold on, let me double check. Okay, maybe we'll put it as 15 because we want to be in the trade. Okay, and this one, the stop, we will put it as 104.90. Okay, and this trade we would exit before 90. So this is a scalping trade, and this trade we will give expiry for another 2.5 to 3 hours, because since there is no data out, we can slightly give longer. Okay, so we are going to go for a buy at 105.15, stop at 104.90, and TP at 105.75, and this expiry is, we are giving 3.5 hours. Okay, the next trade, I want to be in the trade because I don't want to miss this opportunity. So now we are trying to buy 105.30, and this one also we'll put a stop at 90. Actually the stop should be to be more precise, is below 104.70, but we can't afford to take 60 pips risk. So what will happen is, we'll try to take a 40 pips risk. If we get stopped out, then we'll try to do a re-entry again. So that should be your game plan. Then your TP, we want to put it as 106.20, but take note that if you want to really exit, then we try to exit at 105.90. Okay, 90, and previous week is high is 106.10. So if that's the case, then I think we exit at 05, okay, 05. And this one we will put in an expiry uh, 1.5 hours, because this is we are trying to enter near the market, so we don't want to take this risk. So we want to be in this trade, I repeat, we want to be in this trade. We expect the market to turn up soon, so we want to go in this trade. So either you can enter at market, or you'll try to wait, but we still have 19 more minutes. So within this 19 minutes, if you get your order filled, you take it. Otherwise, then you just hit the market, after 19 minutes, and you wait for the market to move up. So this is for euro dollar. Okay, now next we go on to the pound. Okay, pound is also in a similar situation. Pound is also in a similar situation. Let me check on that. But the only thing is, pound, the weakness is much lower compared to euro dollar, because I think euro is more weak. And here we see where is the benchmark level. Okay, the benchmark level should be 126. Okay, 126, which is our 360 low, which is here, if you can see. Then we should be either exiting before 126.90 or expect the high to break. So either one, so we should be looking to see whether the high breaks. If the high breaks, then we'll try to exit at a better level. So as far as this PT zones are concerned, I think pound is much stronger, because it's only trading at SR1. But unlike euro is trading at SR2, so which is more weak, and we don't have any selling force on this. Okay, let's see the same scenario. Since it's the same scenario, then I think it's easier for us to put in a trade. So here we want to buy at 126.30. Okay, let me see where we can put the stop. Okay, the stop, we have two stops. One is a conservative stop. Conservative stop is below the current low. Current low is 126.44. Okay, next one is we can put at 126.20. So the same manner, we expect the one trade is, if the market is quiet, then we exit before 126.90 or 85. And another trade, we can see the break 126.95 and 127.15, then we should see the price heading towards 127.30 or 127.50. So now we have 15 more minutes. Okay, 15 more minutes. So what we will do is, okay, we will put in a trade. Okay, this is a day trading. First we put a day trading. Okay, remember, we don't want to miss this trade. Okay, we don't want to miss this trade. Okay, we will try to buy at market or near the market. Okay, and the stop we will give at 2615 and TP 12735. Okay, but condition, you need to pay attention to see whether the price breaks 12685, 95 and 2715. In fact, we can see 126 12750, but I think we want to have a very conservative play on this. So this is again, we will give until just 45 minutes because we are trying to close near the market, so we don't give much time. So we'll try to enter this as 50. Okay, so this trade we will try to enter with a 35 pips stop, and profit I think is about 85 pips, but the condition is we should see the price breaking that 126.85 and 126.95. Okay, then we have one more scalping trade. We want to get it slightly cheaper. If we get it, we will take. Okay, 126.30. Let me double check. And this one we'll put a stop at 126.05 and 126.80. Okay, this is a very conservative trade, and this one will give until 21. Okay, which is about another 5 hours. Okay, to get it filled. Another 5 hours or 3 hours, maybe 3 hours will be better because today is US is holiday, right? Yeah, so we'll put in. So we have two trades, two different levels of buying, and one is a conservative trade and which is the range, and another trade is we are expecting the high to break. If it breaks, then we may see a higher target. So this true is good to go. Okay, so the next trade we are looking at is dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, we are seeing okay, the dollar yen we are currently is showing an extension on the 360 and 720. This is a 360 extension, and I wouldn't call it an uptrend because the down trend is still strong. Okay, so if we look into our PT zones, we should be looking to sell. Right now is 151.90, so we should be trying to sell at RR2 on the 360 and maybe SR2 on the daily, and this should be the level. Okay, let's see what is the level. Okay, daily 152.40, 50. Okay, 152.30. Yeah, 152.30 and 152.60. Okay, but we don't know whether the price is able to reach that price. Okay, here this looks more reachable. Okay, 5225, 5230. Okay, let's see whether we can get that that level. Dollar yen. Okay, we are seeing the price moving higher, and we should see an extension towards 152.30. So 30 should be your level of entry. Okay, then here the chart says that that most likely we have seen a base, so we should be expecting the price to push higher. Okay, okay, I'll have a look. Okay, I'll have a look. Thanks. Thanks. Okay, this, okay, I think the euro and pound, I think we have a day signal that is similar. Okay, let me double check that thing. Then I'll see. Okay, okay, yeah, I think I've noticed, I think I've overlooked this. Okay, let me see. Let me change the thing. Huh? Okay, thanks for highlighting that. Okay, we have a buying order on the day signal. We have two orders. Okay, this one I think I suggest we cancel this too. Okay, my apologies for this. Okay, thanks for highlighting this. Okay, so now uh, we need to cancel the other two orders because that's a problem. When we give too many orders, we need to be a bit alert. Okay, these two trades we cancel because I think we are giving quite close, so we don't want to be a double entry. Okay, so thanks for highlighting that. I think we have already cancelled, and I suggest you also cancel on your end. So this should be your new trades. Okay, I think I'll pay attention for the next one, dollar yen. Okay, so now like as I said, the dollar yen. Okay, coming back to the dollar yen. Okay, what we feel is we may have seen the low on the hourly. So if true, then we should see the price breaking 152.45 and pushing higher towards 153.20. Okay, 153.20. So what we can do is we can have two orders. Okay, 153.20 as another selling order. Okay, now how we are going to play this is there's two ways which we can do. Okay, we should be the main conclusion is we should be looking to hold buy. Okay, hold buy means cautious buy. Okay, hold cautious buy, and now selling is out, because selling is we may see the price correcting uh, more than expected, because once this level breaks we should see 153.20. So what we can do is we can have three orders on this. Okay, three types of orders for this trade. Okay, one is a quick sell exit, then one is a quick buy and sell and hold. Okay, so I'm giving you three trade setup based on this. So the quick sell would be okay. Now let's do that. Okay, this is going to be a quick sell. Okay, that means sorry. Okay, a quick sell would be selling at 15230. Okay, stop we'll put at 55, and this one you should know that we should be exiting at because remember I told you it's a quick sell, so then we should be exiting at 15180. Okay, not more than that. Okay, and this one we will give you until 2030. Okay, maybe 6 plus 2 8. Okay, maybe another 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours or 2.5 hours. Okay, 2.5 hours we can give. Sorry. Okay. So now the next thing I told you was we can do a buy and hold and sell and hold. Okay, so this is what our game plan is going to be like. Okay, so here if you see, first we need to know buy and hold where we intend to exit. Okay, we need to exit before 15265 and 15275, 75, or yeah, about 75 or 85. So this trade, how is going to be like? Okay, we want to buy at 15160. Okay, and the stop at 30. Okay, let me double check. Yeah, stop at 30. So this is going to be a day trading call, huh? Because there is a high chance that we may have seen a base on the hourly. So dollar yen, we are trying to buy 15160, stop at 15130, and TP as 15275. Okay, the condition is, of course, the current high, which is 15195, has to break, and this one we can give until 22. That means 22 tonight. That means we are giving about 5 to 6 hours for this trade to get filled. Okay, so the next trade, what we are going to do is, remember, it's a sell and hold trade. Okay, sell and hold trade, and that one we are going to sell and hold. Okay, sell at 15320 and stop at 15355, and TP is, for this, since this is a downtrend, downtrend 15320, then we can expect a bigger price target, at least to 15170 or 15110. Okay, let me double check with the chart. Yeah, I think we'll go for 15180. So here the TP would be 15180 and this one we will put expiry until tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow you can put it until 11. Okay, no harm, because this trade, I want to be in this trade. Okay, let me also double check one more time, because since this is yeah, that should be okay. So here we will put in this. Okay, so for the dollar yen, I repeat, we have three types of trades. Okay, one is a quick sell. Then with a quick sell means, you sell with an exit with a quick profit. That's what we meant by quick sell. And now buy and hold and sell and hold. Okay, so this is two types. So buy and hold, see this quick sell, we are trying to sell at 15230. So if you exit, then we'll try to, if you can get it, we'll try to exit with 15180. Then the buy and hold is, if we get 15160, then we'll try to buy, and we'll try to exit at 15275. Then finally this would be a sell and hold, which is 15320, stop and exit at 15180, because there is a very high chance that we may have seen the low on the hourly, so we expect some pullback. Then after that it's going to be in a range. So that is the call for dollar yen. Okay, now the next thing we want to do is dollar Swiss. We'll do dollar Swiss, we'll do New Zealand dollars, then finally we finish with gold. Okay, so now the dollar Swiss. Okay, let me change or get back to the system. Okay, we have a 360 which is up, but this is just an up, it's an extension. Okay, it's an extension, it's not an uptrend. And 720 and daily are down, so below 89, 88.80. Okay, below 88.80 we should be still holding a sell. Okay, below 88.80. So now the market is 88.50. Okay, and let's see the PT zones. Okay, PT zones are saying that the hourly and 360 and 720 no strength, but this is showing some strength on the daily. Okay, but it's rather weak. But on the weekly, this is pointing down. So which means to say that any pullback should be limited. Okay, now let's go on to dollar Swiss. Okay, right now this is trading at 88.45, and we should be looking to sell at 65 or 80. Okay, that should be your level. Okay, let me see. 88, 65 or 70. Okay, let's go into the chart. At least we get some clear idea. Okay, dollar Swiss. Okay, right now this is up. We should not see 88.80 or 88.90, and your 360 is up. I think should be limited to 60. Okay, should be limited to 60. So here okay, there's two way we can play this. Okay, one is I don't know whether should we Euro Aussie filled buy call. Okay, let me see. Yeah, okay. Okay, thanks for giving me that. Okay, let me also check into it. The buy call euro, let me check on that later. Okay, let me finish this. So here we will try to sell at 88.60. Okay, since we are taking like too many trades, so then I think we don't be aggressive on this. So we will try to sell at 88.60, stop at 88.90 and 88.10. Okay, this one we don't have two or three trades. We'll just have one version, because we may get too many orders filled now. Okay, because today we are giving a lot of orders. Okay, so now here we would go for dollar Swiss. Okay, dollar Swiss, sell 88.65, 85. Okay, put at 90, 90 and 88.20. Okay, this is only about 45 pips, and this is GIF under 2030. Okay, so we will go. Okay, now let's look into Euro Aussie since the order is filled. So we need to. This is what we need to do. That means when the order is filled, you see whether we can get it filled better level or still we can do. Okay, Euro CAD is still not filled. Euro Swiss. Okay, only Euro Aussie. Okay, let's get back to see Euro Aussie. Yeah, let me see on that. So thanks for highlighting. See, next time I think it would be good if you can highlight, then I can discuss and I can also get back to you on this. Okay, now if you see Euro Aussie chart, okay, let's see the market. Okay, we should not see the price going below 161.65, and this should be in a range. Okay, we should not see the price going below that. We're looking at 360. Okay, 360, that means we have entered at 360 low, okay, which is right as of now. And let's see how far it can go. Okay, I think this should be a good trade. Okay, but the condition, because we are expecting to hit 163.50. Okay, our target is 163.50. So this is ABC pattern. This is a ABC pattern. 162.80 plus 162.25. Just give me a minute. 280 plus 162.55 minus 163.10. Okay, I think this should be okay. So this is good to go. So this Euro Aussie, I think we can hold. We are safe. Okay, let me see. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, order is filled. Order is filled. Euro Aussie is filled. So the only thing is, what you should be expecting is, if we are right, okay, this is an ABCD pattern. So if this low thing, then definitely it has to exit this high. If this exits, we should be seeing a price target of 163.60. I think our target is 50. So we will still work on that basis. Okay, we'll still work on that basis. Okay. Then the pound buying order is also filled. Okay, I think that is also filled. Okay, any other order filled? You let me know then before we move on. Okay, that order is also filled. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay. So we have two orders filled and two are we are holding on hand. Okay. So now I think we finished dollar Swiss. Then finally we are going into New Zealand dollar. Okay, New Zealand dollar, then gold. Okay, then after that we knock off. Okay. So let's look at New Zealand dollar. Okay, the New Zealand dollar, this looks okay, just now was isn't, I mean, New Zealand dollar is not that weak compared to other crosses. So the range is between 58.80 and, okay, let me share the screen. The range is between 58.80 and 59.10. Okay, so right now this is trading at 58.80. Okay, and let's see the PT zones. PT zones all are flat. Okay, we are seeing some mild weakness on the daily. Okay, monthly is very weak. Weekly is getting some strength, and previous day has already got strength. Okay, so I think we should be going for a buy. Okay, let's see the final, then look into the chart. Okay, hold on now. Okay, now if you look into New Zealand dollar. Okay, New Zealand dollar, we are uh, where is the New Zealand dollar? Okay, so now you see current day high is 5905, current day low is 5880, previous day, that means this is within previous day range, and higher low, and yesterday was higher low than the Monday's low. So Monday low, so we have making higher lows equal high. That means most likely the high has to go. That means the high has to break, and we should see the price heading north. Okay, now the only issue is whether should we buy now or should we wait for a better levels. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay, so if you look into the chart, uh, 58.80, or we should see the 58.70. Okay, where can we put our stop? Okay, our stop has to be definitely not 58.80. Okay, let me see. Okay, our stop has to be either 58.70 or 58.55, or even slightly lower. Okay, because if you look into the system, actually 4.5 would be the best. Sorry, 4.5 would be the best stop, but we can put 5.5 also. Okay, so if that is the case, yeah, about, okay, let me see what is the chart is saying. Okay, chart, okay, what we can do is we don't have to be in desperate to take this trade. So because we are getting other orders filled, so we might as well wait for those trades. So here what we can do is we can buy at 58.60, put a stop at 40, and exit above the high. That means expect the high to break, which is 59.40. Okay, target we got entry at 60. Okay, let's put in this trade, but see whether we have any trades open on that. Okay, we dollar Swiss, dollar yen, pound. Okay, we have two orders got filled. Okay, New Zealand dollar, we have a buy order at 58.50. Okay, we have a buy order at 58.50 on the daily. Then, okay, we don't have any other orders. So what we can do is that buy order we can revise it to 60, and the expiry will try to put in lower time. So we'll buy at 58.60, stop at maybe 35 and 59.40. And this one, the expiry, I don't want to give until tomorrow 11. Okay, now I want to change it to tonight 23:30. So that means this trade, it was only about 25 pips drop, so we don't have to give so much of time for that trade. See, when we give more time, if the price is further away from our current market, so that is how we play the game. So if you feel very far, then we give more time. If it's nearer, then we just give a lower time. So at least we don't have to get ourselves caught in unnecessarily. Okay. So then finally, what we will do is we'll just try to run through our orders, see whether any adjustments we need to make. Then finally, we will look into gold. Sorry. Okay, dollar yen, this is expiry is correct. Dollar yen buying is 22. Okay, this is also okay. Euro dollar we are trying to buy, and this is 1830. Okay, I think this one we need to extend maybe another 1 hour because I want to be in this trade. Okay, let me change that. Because the just blown up the screen, so that's the reason why I got to do this. Okay, the euro dollar buying, we try to give another 1 hour more. Okay, where is that order? Yeah, this one. Okay, the expiry is going to expire in 15 minutes. So this one we will give 1 more hour. Okay, so we will give 1930. So remember, I want to be in this trade. So this trade also we want to um, get in. Okay. So this one we have another 5 more pips. I think most likely 1 more hour you should get filled. So this trade is okay. Gold we are trying to sell at 54. Okay, that one also we may need to extend the time to another 2 hours. Okay, the one will extend. Admin, maybe can you help me to extend this time, please? The gold selling at 54, change it to 2200 hours. Okay, just help me to do that, please. Okay, then we have Euro Swiss, should be okay. Euro New Zealand 2330. I think 2330. Euro yen selling 1 o'clock. Sing dollar selling 88.45. Okay. Okay, I think the rest all should be okay because I think the dollar yen will be cancelled in another 15 minutes. We are trying to put in a new order. Okay, this one also we have a selling at yen at 15275. Okay, this one I think we need to cancel this because we have 15320. Okay, so this one also, the dollar yen 15275 selling, can you help me to cancel that, please? Okay, the one also, please. These are the two changes. Okay, gold I think we have revised. Then the dollar yen 15275 selling, help me to cancel. Okay, that's it. Thank you for that. Okay, now we'll just quickly run before we go on to gold. Okay, the rest all sounds okay. Okay, all sounds okay. Only the dollar yen is already cancelled. Okay, I think we are good to go. Okay, now finally we go look into gold. Okay, we look into gold. Then I think that is for today. Okay, gold. Right now this is trading at. Okay, let me share that screen. Okay, right now this is 360 is up, 720 is up, but do take note that this is not an uptrend, this is an extension. So uptrend means, we should see consecutive green colors. So this is just an extension. So if extension, we should not see the price beyond 2658 half. Okay, that means 58 half or 59 should be our stop. Then we should try to sell somewhere nearer that level. So if you look into that, the selling level would be 360 RR5 or RL5 or daily SR1. Okay, so let's see what is that level. Okay, we are looking into this. Daily, I told you, was SR1, that means 53 half. So we should be selling near 53 half or 55, sorry, 55, that is your RC5. Then remember weekly was weekly, okay, weekly was very weak. So the one also, I think we should be looking to sell somewhere 48, 48, 49. And let's see previous week. Okay. See 53 half. So I think that's where we have given as selling at 54. Okay, I think our order is selling at 54. Stop at 58 half. Actually, the stop should be at 59. Okay, then the TP is 42. I think that is all good to go. Okay, let's see the chart one last time before we confirm on this. Okay, chart. Okay, so now market is bouncing. So there's two ways, either if the market is weak, we should not see the price going beyond 46, 49 half, okay, or of course this. But if the 58 half breaks, then we should see the price heading not towards 68 or 72. Okay, 72. So what we can do, we have a selling order at 54. Let's say if it gets stopped out, then we will try to put in one more trade higher, so at least we can be on track on that trade. So in that event, okay, let me get into that system. Okay, so we can go for a daily RR2, and let's say previous day. Okay, previous day RR2. So these are the two levels of target we can look for. So daily, sorry, so if you are looking for daily RR2, that should be about 66. Okay, 66, that should be your next selling level, or previous day RR2. Okay, this is 2649 half, and if let's say is 5, then is 2662. So in other words, if the 58 breaks, okay, if the 58 breaks, the next selling order should be around 66 or 72. That means you can expect the market to turn. So going back to the chart, so if the market is weak, we should see the price turning anywhere before that. That means before 54 or even 49. Okay, I think right now the high is 40, 47, 45. So possibility, that's why I said possibility, this might be the high. Okay, we are not sure, but since we have the time, we still have another 1.5 hours left, so we should see the price still having some strength. So if you see, this is going to last for another 1.5 hours, and right now this is showing weakness, which may be possibility, which may be the high. Okay, but of course it's a 50-50. So but we want to sell at 54. For if you are an aggressive, if you call yourself an aggressive trader, then you can um go for a sell now with this top as a high. But of course we wouldn't want to take that trade, because I think we will just wait. I mean, if you take, I mean, we're not saying not to take. If you take possibility, that might be the high. Okay, but of course we just have to wait to see whether we are getting confirmed. Okay, so before we go off, okay, there's two trades we are in. Is Euro Aussie. I think right now this is making some money, about 16 pips. Pound we are long. Then the Euro Dollar. Okay, try to get into the Euro Dollar. Okay, let me see that Euro Dollar before we go. Okay, the Euro Dollar, I mean, I let you decide. If you want to take market, you can go ahead, because this is showing a divergence, but it has not given us a confirmation of a low. If you see the low, then we have to see the price heading 105.60, then we can confirm that this is the low. Okay, so I think that's about it. Any questions, any market you want to discuss before we knock off? And today we don't have US session today because US is holiday, so I'll be seeing you again tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we have live sessions. We have 3 sessions tomorrow. Okay, so for those of you who are coming in first time, okay, again this is the request. Okay, feel free, if you to give us your feedback, and at the same time give a like and subscribe to our services. And also you can forward this video to any one of your friends who may be interested in trading and want to make a living and trade full time. Okay, because we are giving a lot of services. Okay, a lot of services, discussing the market, giving tips, giving signals, and there's a lot of things which we are doing. Okay, which I mean, we, of course we are new to YouTube, but we have been in industry for many years. Okay, okay, once again thank you, and looking to forward to see you again. Till then, bye.